barbecue chicken. How do you make barbecue chicken? You just buy chicken, you boil chicken, and then after it's ready and boiled, you cut it in pieces. Just as how you see chicken in pieces. Show the chicken in pieces.
¿Para qué estás poniendo eso?
Then you just put barbecue sauce. Just this kind. You throw it in. You let it boil. That's it. Beyond delicious. Then to the side I'm making some white rice. It's so simple. You just need butter, rice, water, and where is it? You put salt, but I don't really use salt in my food. I use this kind of chicken flavor. It tastes great. You can use it in any food.
¿Esto vas a poner en el Facebook? Dios mío.
Only Mexican people understand.
So first you put the butter, you let it melt. Once it's melted, you throw the rice. Then you throw the water, and then you put some chicken flavor. And as you can see, it's cooking already. It might take like about 35 minutes, 30 minutes to cook. The chicken with the barbecue is ready. It's warm, it's ready to eat. But I'm gonna wait for the rice. So let's say bye.
I wasn't even recording. Just kidding.
I'm kidding, I'm recording.